friends and family, it is Melly at Dusty Sage Homestead, and I just wanted to give you an update on all of our projects. We've been so busy.
I started brining a brisket for St. Patrick's Day. I think it was about 15 pounds. We also purchased a Berkshire pig and got it back from the butcher, and so I decided to make 4 different kinds of bacon out of one of the pork bellies. I also ground a pork shoulder and turned it into Italian sausage and a Polish sausage. We do not have beef in the freezer yet, but I purchased ground beef from the grocery store and I made a summer sausage, which turned out wonderful. And I tried to make apple juice out of some leftover apples that were going bad in the garage. It tasted great. I'm not sure it is what you would expect from apple juice. I also spent some time cutting up some pork loins and repackaging them into vacuum seal bags for the freezer. We also recently got a cow, and she will be our future milk cow after she's done being my son's 4-H project. So we're really excited about that. A very large project that is going on is the creation of our new garden space. We rented a skid steer over a weekend, and my husband spent the whole weekend leveling it and clearing it for a garden space. It turned out to be about 90 feet by 90 feet.
Baby. We are currently shoveling compost, manure into the new garden space. It's very exciting. There's only 3 rows made so far, but we'll get there.
This is all kind of a late update. We've been so busy and then had family in town, and we try to stay present for that. So I will do another update very soon now that life has kind of gotten back to normal, and show you what else we have been doing and working on.